Hello students, as in the previous video we have studied about nutrition and its type. Nutrition is of two types, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition, in which we know about both autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Today we will know more about autotrophic nutrition, which is performed by green plants, which are called autotrophs. Green plants are autotrophs because they make their own food by themselves. And by which process they make their own food? They make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And today we will know about some more facts about photosynthesis. First of all, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process which is performed by autotrophs like green plants, in which they utilize inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water. Uh, Carbon dioxide is obtained by green plants from the atmosphere, and water is absorbed from the roots of the plants. Now, green plants during the process of photosynthesis, in the as the process is none, photosynthesis, photo means light. So in the process of photosynthesis, light is very essential. And photosynthesis is always performed in the presence of sunlight, and sunlight is absorbed by the green plants due to presence of the green pigments inside the chloroplast of their plastids of their cells. Chlorophyll absorbs light, and in the presence of sunlight, they convert carbon dioxide and water into uh, or, organic substances, which is called glucose. So during the process of photosynthesis, green plants converts inorganic substances into organic substances, and this process is actually the conversion of one form of energy into another form of energy, that is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. And this process can be uh, seen by the reaction which will be studied, no which will be studied in the notes which is provided uh, for the classes in the WhatsApp group of our school. So you can study the notes carefully, that the process of photosynthesis can be uh, can be defined by a chemical reaction, in which reactants are carbon dioxide and water, which gives after reaction glucose, and oxygen is released during the process. So green plants actually absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen in the atmosphere. Thus, the process of maintenance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is performed by the green plants by the process of photosynthesis. Thus, photosynthesis is a very essential process which is performed by green plants, in which uh, they maintain the level of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. Now, what are the raw materials for photosynthesis? As we know that raw materials for any process or for any reaction is actually the required substances which is performed during the reaction. So, the raw materials of photosynthesis is number one, sunlight. Sunlight is an organic material which is absorbed by chlorophyll, that is green pigment present in the cells of green plants. And chlorophyll is also a raw material which helps in the absorption of sunlight. Uh, Now, carbon dioxide is also the raw material of photosynthesis, which enters in the cells of green plants through the pores present in their leaves, and these small pores are called stomata. Stomata is actually the group of cells in which there is presence of guard cells, and these guard cells, by releasing and by absorbing water, uh, helps in opening and closing of stomata, and during the process of opening and closing of stomata, uh, carbon dioxide is absorbed by it. So carbon dioxide enters in the cells of green plants through the stomata, which is actually the small pores present in the leaves, in the surface of the leaves of green plants. Now, other raw materials are like water. Water is also a essential raw material for photosynthesis. Water and other dissolved materials like nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. are taken up by the roots of the soil. Sorry, root from the soil. Uh, the roots of the green plants absorbs water and other minerals by the process of osmosis, and thus these essential raw materials are fulfilled to the cells of the green plants by different sources. So the required raw materials of photosynthesis is sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water. Now, what is the site of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is, as we know that photosynthesis is performed by green plants, and this process of photosynthesis is performed inside the cells of the green plants, and where the process of photosynthesis is performed inside the cells of the green plants, uh, in the cells of the green plants there is a cell organelle which is called chloroplast, which are actually the plastids, as we studied in the previous classes in class ninth, that plastids are of two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chlorophyll as a colored pigment, it has a colored pigment that is which is green in color, so it is a type of chromoplast, so which is called chloroplast. So the process of photosynthesis is performed inside the plant cells, uh, and This process is performed in the cell organelle of the plant cell, which is called chloroplast. So the site of photosynthesis is chloroplast. Now, during the process of photosynthesis, mm, three main events are performed, which is actually the absorption of light energy, and this process of absorption of light energy is performed by chlorophyll, and other is the conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. That is, water breaks into hydrogen and oxygen, and that oxygen is released in the atmosphere, and which maintains the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And third event is the reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. As you will study the process of oxidation and reduction in the subject chemistry, you can understand this process of oxidation and reduction. So the main events of photosynthesis is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second is conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. And third is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Now, some more facts about the process of photosynthesis is uh, that photosynthesis is actually performed by green plants, which are called autotrophs, and this process of making of food by the green plants by itself is called autotrophic nutrition. Thus, by studying this process of photosynthesis, uh, we know about whole thing about the autotrophic nutrition. Now, in the next video, we will know about heterotrophic nutrition and its types. Thank you for watching this video.